hello great mind, we are given square root of a plus square root of minus a equals 12, and we are expected to find the values of a. Okay, now from here, let's first of all write solution. Okay, our question is square root of a plus square root of minus a, and this equals 12. Okay, now the first thing we are going to do is to take transpose of this square root of minus a. So if we do that, we are going to have square root of a will be equal to 12 minus square root of minus a. Okay, now what we are going to do next is to take square of both sides. Okay, so we are going to have square root of a all squared, and this equals 12 minus square root of minus a all squared as well. Okay, now from here, this right hand side is of this form. Okay, if we have x minus y all squared, now if we expand this will be equal to x squared plus y squared, then minus 2xy. Okay, now from here, x is 12 and y is square root of minus a. So we are going to expand this in this form. But before then, let's write this. This square here will cancel out this square root, and we'll have in the left hand side, we are left with a. And this equals 12 squared plus y is square root of minus a. So we'll have in bracket square root of minus a squared. Then minus 2 times x is 12. And y is square root of minus a. Okay, now this is what we have from here. So from here, a will be equal to 12 squared is 144. Then this square here will cancel out this square root, and plus times minus will give us minus a. Then minus 2 times 12 is 24. Then square root of minus a. This is what we have. So from here, we are going to take transpose of this 144 minus a. So if we do that, in the left hand side, we'll have a plus a, this negative a here. Then this is positive here, it becomes negative 144. Then this equals minus 24 square root of minus a. Okay, so from here, a plus a equals 2a minus 144, then equal to minus 24 square root of minus a. So from here, we are going to divide through by 2. This will be divided by 2. This will be divided by 2 as well. And this will be divided by 2. 2a divided by 2 will give us a. We are left with a minus 144 divided by 2. We have 72. Then this equals minus 24 square root of minus a divided by 2. We are left with minus 12, then square root of minus a. So this is what we have. So from here, because we are trying to, in our next solution, we are trying to remove this square root here. And for us to do that, we are going to still square both sides. We are going to take square of both sides. So we are going to have a minus 72 squared. And this equals minus 12 square root of minus a all squared as well. Now this left hand side, this right hand side, sorry, is of this form: x, y, that is x times y squared, and this equals x squared times y squared. So if we express this right hand side in this form, we are going to remember that we did something like this before. Okay, so it simply means that in this left hand side, we are just going to have a squared plus 72 squared, then minus 2 times a, then times 72. Okay, we did something like this earlier. And for this right hand side, we are going to have x squared will now be minus 12 squared, then times square root of minus a all squared as well. Okay, so from here, we are going to have a squared, okay, a squared plus 72 squared, then minus 2 times a times 72 will give us 144 A, okay, because 2 times 72 will give us 144. And this will be equal to minus 12 squared will give us 144. Then times this square here will cancel out this square root. And we are left with minus A here. So from here we have A squared plus 72 squared minus 144A. And this equals 144 times minus A will give us minus 144A. Okay. Now we have negative this here, and we have negative. If we take transpose of this, it means that this will cancel out this, and we are left with A squared, okay, A squared plus 72 squared, and this equals 0. Okay, so let's take transpose of this 72 squared. We are going to have A squared will be equal to minus 72 squared. So we are going to take square root of both sides. We'll have square root of A squared, and this equals plus or minus square root of minus 72 squared. Okay, so from here, from the left hand side, this square will cancel out this square root, and A will be equal to plus or minus square root of minus 1 times 72 squared. Okay, so from here we have A will be equal to plus or minus square root of minus 1 times, okay, times square root of 72 squared. So A here will be equal to plus or minus square root of minus 1 is I, is an imaginary number, so it becomes what? I, times this square here will cancel out this square root, and we have 72 here. So if we rewrite this, we are going to have that A equals plus or minus 72I, okay? So A1 will be equal to positive 72I, and A2 will be equal to negative 72I, okay? And this is the right answer. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please do well to share your thoughts in the comment section. Share this video and subscribe to this channel. Bye.